So hello guys, this is Prakash and you can say the Bunty Pradhan, and I welcome you all to my tech channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. So before starting the topic, I just want to say that keep yourself healthy and fit and fine in your home. Don't forget to wear the mask when you go outside. So without wasting any time, just let's go straight into it. So today's topic is on the basis of Apple and Android users. You can say the Apple or Android phones. So many of the people in India, and as per the graph we get to know that India have very much craze about the mid-range phone, and you can say the mid-range phone take a very higher opportunity to get their product sell, or you can say the more of the product in phone is selling is the mid-range phone. India have so much craze about the technology and phones, so different type of people purchase the different type of phone as their financial resource. In today's topic I will talk about the why the Android phone are better than iOS and the why are Apple phone are better than Android. So both the phone have different type of segment and both the phone have different type of software, and you can say both the phone are running on different type of software. So if you use the different type of Android mobile, so you might be see the very much of similarities in that phone. For example, you are a Samsung user, and after the Samsung you will switch to the OnePlus or Realme or any etc phone, then you will see so much of similarities. Or suddenly if you will switch to the you will switch from the Android to iOS, so you can't maybe see so much of similarity, because software change means many of the user interface and the technical and many of the problem and many of the things will change. So many of the people in India, they always talk about why the Android is better than iOS or why iOS is better than Android. So both the phone are very different. In Apple made their software and hardware and all of the things except the screen, they made their own self. So for giving an example, I would like to say that if you are owner of a house and you don't have a house, as for the example, if you are going to construct a house at your own, and you can say that that house is built in front of you through a contractor, then you can make the house as perfect as your own, because you are making that house in front of yours. So you know in which place I will put that double thing that they will make me comfortable. So in Android that is not a thing, because you can say Android phone assembled by many of the companies. You can say the processor is made by the Qualcomm, and the screen is made by the Samsung, and the camera is made by the Samsung and Sony both, and charger is given by the another company. So in the Android phone, many of the hardware is not coming from the same company. Many of the other company give the hardware, and this company which phone is there, I can say the OnePlus. So OnePlus just take the phone and just assemble the things, but things are not purchased by the company. If I would like to say about the processor, so you can say in Android the latest processor we have the 865 Plus, which is based on the Qualcomm 865 Snapdragon, and in the iOS we have the latest iOS 13, and the 865 processor based on the 5G mobiles, and 5G mobile will be arrive soon in India as per the news or the new feeds. So let's wait how the things is that. So I just want to go deep in the process about the iOS and Apple. So Apple is made hexacore processor, and many of the people say that if the Android is making the phone very good performance, and if the Android performing good, so why the Android make their phone so much thick or so much fatty phones like heavy users, and why the Apple is giving that same type of performance but the phone is very thin. So I have said you that Apple made their hardware at own, so they know in which type of things or at which type of space we can adjust our best. But in Android they don't know about that, and the very big and the very latest and the very good thing of the iOS is that in iOS it consumes so much less of battery. So you might be see that in the iPhone 11 Pro Max, which is the latest phone from the iPhone till now, right now, so he used something about the 4023 mAh battery, and you will say the latest phone about the Samsung, what is named that M51, it have the 7000 mAh battery. So it is a very quite disappointing thing that Android giving this type of things. But I think that Apple don't give the very much high capacity of battery, because iOS don't need the highest capacity battery, and many of the people always say that why Apple don't give the highest fast charging. So the thing is that fast charging is good, but very fast charging on a similar or even some particular device is not good, because it retains or it decreases the life of the battery, which is not good for your phone. And you can see nowadays all the Android phone using two batteries. They don't have a one or a single battery. They use two battery, which are separate from each other in the phone, but they charging the charging at one time. So it makes the charging fast, but fast charging, as per my knowledge, is not good for the phone. So minimum charging of the phone is, I think, 25 watt, and 20 watt is very much for the phone. In the Android make the phone is good. Android is good at the convenience for the normal people. All the people can use the Android phone, but if I want to say that the convenience, so Apple is very good, and Apple ecosystem is very great, far better than Android as comparable to Android. So this is the thing which are not similar between Android and Apple, and many of the things which is similar in the Android and Apple, you can say iOS, is sharing. Many of the people say that the sharing option is not better at iPhone or Android. So I just want to say that one of the application which is known as Xender, as it is work on the both of the iOS and Android, but due to the China ban or TikTok ban, all the 180 from those 118 apps, there is an app which is known as Xender is disappears. So what we can do? So both the phones have different software and both are working on their own. So it depends on you that on which device or on which software you are comfortable. So if you find this video informative, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel to get new updates as soon as possible. So keep yourself fit and fine.